Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. I know y'all been waiting on me, but hey, look, we doing a big chop today. I got my boy Dante came through. We finna chop this shit off. So what I'm gonna do is I went ahead and shampoo and conditioned his hair. He said, look, BJ, it's time to cut it off. New year, new me. Let's go. So look, man, I went ahead and shampoo and condition. I'm blow drying it right now using my Dyson. Most of y'all cheap ass barbers don't got this, so boss up and get you a Dyson. It reduces the time, works really well, very efficient. Invest in yourself. Let's go. So look, I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned. I'm blow drying it. I'm about to chop everything off. We're using a 1.5 with the grain. So I started right there, like towards his crown area. And then I'm gonna go ahead and right now I am draping him, as you can see, using the neck strip, all of those good things. And I'm about to start the process. So I'll go ahead and pick it out, lifting all the hair off the scalp, making a very smooth transition. He's been growing his hair for a long time. He's been going to me for a long time as well. He just has to, he moved out there with college and stuff, so he had to do the major chop with Slice the Barber. Y'all better get with the program, man. So as you see, I'm making sure it's fully dry. I'm just going over it multiple times to make sure. So I'm starting off just trying to see what length I'm going with. Starting right there at the back. Everything is going smooth. I'm using my wall magic clips, as you can see. Everything coming off real smooth. Very clean transition. As you can see, the hair is already gone. So now I'm just making sure everything is even. Y'all can see I already sold out of my hoodies. Let's go. So now I'm going with the grain, like I said, using the 1.5. We're going with the low taper. He's gonna grow his hair fully out. Hit him with an enhancements. Call it a day, no time to play. So yeah, lately I've just been recording a lot of content. I know I haven't been posting, but y'all stay tuned, man. Big shout out to everybody subscribing and following my campaign. I started off with 74 subscribers. Now I'm at 232 as of today, December 30th. Let's go. Verify with him with the length, looking good. Finna start off with the low taper in the nape area. As you can see, I'm just combing as I go. I'm doing lever fully closed. First we agreed to shadow, but now we're going to skim. Lever fully open, as you can see. Then I'm gonna go halfway. Then I'm gonna go one with the one guard fully closed right after this. Fully closed right there. I use my half guard right there just to go ahead and speed up the process. Now I'm using a 1 fully open, then the 1.5. So right there I'm using 1.5 to go ahead and set my next guideline, but then I'm gonna go back with the 1. As y'all can see, I'm just going ahead and I'm just slightly tapping and pulling right there with the trimmers, cleaning all the excess hair off of his face. Very smooth transition, as y'all can see. Look at that blend. So like I said, I used a 1 fully closed, and then I went open halfway, and then I used a 1.5. I used a half guard, then a 1.5 afterwards, just to fully stretch that blend. As y'all can see, now I'm just debulking. I'm going against the grain and with the grain. Lever fully open, as y'all can see. Halfway. Going with the grain again. One guard fully closed, as you can see. So I'll go against the grain and with the grain just to have a very smooth transition. Y'all stay tuned. That's a half guard right there. Make sure you flicking out. Yeah, just because I haven't been posting don't mean I haven't been working, fools. I know a lot of y'all, oh, BJ done fell off. Oh, he ain't posting. Y'all better get with the program, man. If I ain't working, I'm working. Watch the enhancements, man. I'm finna sauce them up. So, of course, we go natural. I'm more of a natural barber, but it's no problem, you know. Especially when it's big chops and stuff like that, I definitely understand. So, as y'all can see, I set my first guideline with my trimmers. Now I'm just debulking. That was a 1.5 guard right there. Now I'm going lever fully open, as you can see. Lever midway close, and then I'm gonna go with the 1 guard fully closed, and then my half guard up under that, and then I'm gonna use a 1.5. Very smooth transition, as y'all can see. This took maybe 25 minutes. That was his first time at my private studio. Very impressed. He's been going to me for a long time. Look how I'm setting the bars, as y'all can see. I'm just cleaning all the excess hair that he wants removed. Just staying consistent with everything, as y'all can tell. Just like that. The enhancement's gonna be the final touch, but it's gonna be a very smooth process. Y'all stay tuned. Big shout out to everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. All of those good things, spreading the word. Let's go, man. It's about to be a new year. Just doing some beard work right there. I'm telling you, none of y'all barbers cannot get next to me, bro. I don't care who you is. I got Atlanta on lock, man. McDonough on lock, Hampton on lock, Stockbridge. Any place you can say in Atlanta, get next to me. Please. Watch this lineup. Y'all see how it look right now, right? I know most of y'all barbers would have pushed them all the way back. But hey, man. Applesauce might look the same, but it don't taste the same. Y'all better get with the program. Stop trying to bite the sauce. Starting on his left side, as you can see, like I always do. Well, I start off in the middle, then I go from left to right. That's proper placement, as you can see. I did not push him back. I left him right where he was. It's hitting, it's vibrant. I'm finna go ahead and do the enhancements like he wants to. Sauce him up. Y'all stay tuned for these next couple of videos, man. Look at that lineup. Look at the blend. Never would have thought he had all that hair on his head. I could have left it natural just like that, but hey, it is what it is. I made a new enhancement mix, so I just wanted to try it out. Just like that. Yes, sir. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj. BJ's Cuts with 2 Z's. Let's go. Very smooth transition from having all that hair. Y'all better get with the program. Look at the results, man. Big shout out to all my support system, man. Let's go. BigCEO.BJ. Y'all see the hair. You see it's growing. Just like that. See, he cheating, bro. He cheating, bro. Y'all see it, though. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.